In this video, you'll learn how to change the lock screen clock on your Google Pixel phone. By following these steps, you will be able to customize how the clock appears when your device is locked. Start by unlocking your Google Pixel phone and locating the Settings app. You will find the Settings icon on your home screen or in the app drawer. Once you open the app, scroll down the list of options until you see Display. Tap on this option to access various screen customizations. Within the display settings, look for options labeled Lock Screen or Clock Settings. These options specifically control the appearance of the clock on your lock screen. Tap on the relevant option to proceed. It is important to ensure you have entered the correct menu before moving on to the next step. Once you are in the lock screen settings, search for the clock style or customization option. This section will present various styles, layouts, or formats for the clock display. You may also have the ability to adjust the size, alignment, or overall appearance of the clock. Take a moment to preview the changes before applying them. Choose a design that best suits your preferences and enhances readability. After selecting your desired clock style, exit the settings menu to apply your changes. Now lock your phone to see the updated clock design on the lock screen. Observe how it looks and ensure that it functions as expected. If you find that adjustments are necessary, return to the settings and make the changes again. This step is crucial for ensuring that your lock screen reflects your personal style and preferences. Your Google Pixel will now display the updated clock layout on the lock screen tailored to your liking. Remember that having a clock style that is both visually appealing and easy to read can improve your overall user experience with your device. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.